You take a bite of something spicy and instantly regret it. Your mouth is on fire. So you do what everyone does, you grab water. But here's the problem, that's the worst thing you can do. Water doesn't cool the burn, it actually spreads it, and the reason comes down to one molecule, capsaicin. Capsaicin is the compound responsible for the heat in chili peppers. But here's what makes it interesting. Capsaicin is nonpolar, water is polar. And in chemistry, this difference changes everything. Think of it like oil and water. They don't mix. So when you drink water, it doesn't wash the capsaicin away. Instead, it sprays it across your mouth, making more receptors fill the brain. So it just worsens the situation. Inside your mouth are heat sensors called TRPV1 receptors. These receptors are supposed to detect real heat like fire, but capsaicin tricks them. We talked about this in the previous video. If you haven't watched the previous video, it's right here on my channel. We talked about how capsaicin tricks the brain into thinking it's on fire, even though there's no actual heat. So you can find the video right here on my channel. Yeah, so inside your mouth are heat sensors that are called the TRPV1 receptors, and these receptors are supposed to detect real heat like fire. But capsaicin tricks them. It binds to these receptors and sends a signal to your brain, like you're burning, even though you're not. So it just tricks. It's not real. There's no real heat. Now imagine pouring water on that. Instead of removing capsaicin, you are just moving it around, activating more receptors. More signal means more pain. So you feel more heat. You feel like it's burning the more. So if water doesn't work, then what actually works? Well, milk. Yes, milk. Milk contains fat and fat can dissolve capsaicin. Why? Because capsaicin is nonpolar and so is fat. Remember, like dissolves like? So fat is nonpolar and can dissolve capsaicin, which is also nonpolar. Other dairy products like yogurt, ice cream, cheese, etc. can also help because they too contain fat and casein. Casein is literally a hero against the burn of capsaicin. It pulls the capsaicin molecules away from your receptors by binding to it, thereby stopping the signal. So the next time your mouth is on fire, skip the water. Grab some dairy. If you don't like dairy products, you can use oils like olive oil, coconut oil, groundnut oil, and other oils. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.